First, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Scroll down and tap Apps. Now find and tap Camera. Tap Force Stop. Then tap OK to confirm. Next, tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache. Then tap Clear Data. If a confirmation message appears, tap Delete or OK. Once you've done that, go back and open the Camera app. Check if the camera is working properly. If the problem still continues, restart your phone. Press and hold the side button. Then tap Restart. Tap Restart again if prompted. Wait for your Samsung phone to restart. After the restart is complete, open the Camera app again. Your camera should now be working properly. That's it. This is how you can fix the camera not working on a Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.